Understanding Table Reservation, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical topic, table reservation. This phrase is commonly used in restaurants and other dining settings, and understanding it can really enhance your dining experiences in English-speaking countries. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of table reservation. Table reservation refers to the act of booking a table at a restaurant in advance. This is done to ensure that you have a guaranteed spot at the restaurant, especially during busy hours or at popular places. Reservations can be made over the phone, online, or in person. Understanding this term is crucial because it helps in planning dining experiences and avoiding disappointments of not getting a table. Making a table reservation typically involves a few key steps. 1. Choose the restaurant where you want to dine. 2. Contact the restaurant either by phone, online, or by visiting in person. 3. Provide essential information such as your name, the number of people in your party, and the desired date and time. 4. Sometimes, you may need to provide a contact number or email for confirmation. Here are some useful phrases that can come in handy. I would like to make a reservation for number people. Is there a table available for number on date and time? Could I book a table in the name of your name? Do I need to confirm my booking before arriving? Understanding how to cancel or change a reservation is also important. If your plans change, it's polite to inform the restaurant as soon as possible. You can use phrases like, I need to cancel my reservation for date and time. Can I change my reservation to new date and time? That's all for our lesson on table reservation. We hope this video helps you in making your dining experiences smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, practicing these phrases and understanding the concept will make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.